Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. We all want our dogs to live happy, healthy, and long lives, so nutrition is such a key aspect. We personally have been blown away by this product that we've been using lately. It's from the Wholistic Pet Organics. It's the Canine Complete multivitamin. So this has been a game changer for our dog. So first of all, the formula. The formula itself is a powdered formula. So right away when you open the container, you can immediately smell fish. So the third ingredient in this product is fish protein powder, which is amazing because my dog loves the taste, like is obsessed. With any other multivitamin in the past, we've had to force her to take it. With this one, she readily and enthusiastically eats her food, which is incredible. So I love the ingredients in this product because there's no GMOs, there's no gluten, there's no soy, there's nothing bad for them at all. Everything is natural, organic, and they have essential fatty acids, which is amazing for your dog's skin and coat. I like the fact that there's prebiotics, probiotics, vitamins, minerals, everything your dog needs to have a complete and balanced diet. So our dog had suffered a lot with dry skin because of her breed. She definitely has sensitive skin. Since using this product, she's definitely scratched a whole lot less. And we love the fact that her bowel movements are regular, they're solid. We're just so happy. You can sprinkle this formula on their food. In the mornings, we put it on her scrambled eggs and she just inhales it. And then in the evenings, we'll put a little bit on her kibble. And again, she just loves this so much. It just makes me happy knowing that she likes the taste and that it's so good for her. So I would definitely recommend this multivitamin for all of your dogs. They're gonna love it and you're gonna love the results. But that's just our point of view.